Welcome to our video today. So what we're going to share today is how you can make a single USB multi-bootable stick. So you have already experienced installing different version of the operating system, and you might have a dedicated USB stick for each different OS. So what if we can make a single USB stick into a multi-bootable device and have all OS we use inside? So that's what we're going to do today. So the software we're going to use today is Ventoy. I provide a link of the site in the description. By clicking Tested ISO, we can see all the compatible ISO. So you can check whether the OS you're going to use is supportable or not. So let's go back and download Ventoy. So after extracting Ventoy RAR file, open Ventoy disk, and select the USB stick you already connected. Now click Install, and click Yes for warning. So Ventoy has been installed. Now we need to copy and paste the ISO file. So, I will be using Windows 10, and Fedora for now. Now click on Paste. If you want to add more OS, just copy it and paste. So after creating the USB device, restart your computer and boot from the USB device we created. So this is the interface of Ventoy. We have Fedora and Windows 10 that we copied. So let's try on Fedora first. So yeah, it's working. Now we restart and try Windows 10. Now the Windows started loading the installation. So I'm just going to quit the installation process. So let's wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and like. Have a nice day.